Any plots for sale at Talekhol Goa border, 35 kilometers away from Mopa Airport, with starting area 320 square meters at rupees 11,20,000. Call us for more details.
How?
Divya.
Honorable Member, Mrs. Divya Rani.
Speaker sir, I rise to support the demands. I would like to speak on demand number 34. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also Minister for Education, for according the highest priority to education in the annual budget. And as education is the backbone of our economic development, and it's our fundamental duty to provide equal opportunity of good quality education to all students, irrespective of their socioeconomic backgrounds, their gender or physical abilities. The NEP, the National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes the use of technology. So it's essential that आमचे सगळीं जी स्कूलां आसा आतां आमची government high schools, they should be all equipped with the latest technological infrastructure, whether it is stable high-speed infrastructure, internet, computers, color printers, photocopiers, because the computers used by the staff are like 10 years old and need software upgrade. The government school should also include social science labs, computer labs, reading rooms, which many of the schools are lacking, especially in our rural areas. There are conversational platforms which have been introduced, like artificial intelligence AI chat box called Parak. So these which have been introduced by the government, it's an excellent tool actually. You can track the learning progress of the students as well as the progress done by the schools. So this chat box, for this you need a smartphone, which most of the students from the students studying in the government schools, especially in the rural areas, they come from a socially weaker section. So maybe the family may own just one phone or something like that, which may not be a smartphone. So I want to request the Honorable Chief Minister if necessary gadgets could be introduced in the schools so that they can utilize this chat box which has been started by our government. Government schools, most of the government schools, they need a dedicated librarian, because we know the benefit of having a librarian in a library, because a qualified and well-experienced librarian will always maintain the books well, they'll stock it according to the subject, and so all this is not there in the schools, and the staff who's there, maybe a UDC or something working in the school, he hands out these books manually. So there's a huge difference. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please look into it and have a dedicated librarian for all the government schools. So that is going to make a huge difference with the way the libraries are functioned. Again, like my colleague has spoken about CCTV surveillance, it is of utmost importance that we have CCTV surveillance in all our schools, whether they are primary schools or government high schools, to know that everybody speaks about so many activities that happen around schools. So untoward incident shouldn't happen. Unnecessary incident shouldn't happen. So for the safety of our children, amcha burya kai जावचे न्हय. So to tackle all these situations, I think it is utmost importance that all our government schools should have CCTV surveillance, and I think that is of utmost priority. In Sattari, we lack almost 41 teachers in the primary schools, and 36 teachers as assistant teachers in our government high schools. So I would like to request the Honorable Chief Minister to please look into it. We have put in requests many times for this, because one teacher is doing like multiple jobs, and she teaches in the school maybe just once or twice a week. So that is hampering the education. So I request that this shortfall of teachers is filled in as soon as possible. I think it's high time now because with the NEP, we have said that our education is inclusive for everybody, whether you come from any socioeconomic background or any person with any physical abilities or any strata. So it is very utmost importance that I think amche schoolan ka tha, it should have the right infrastructure so that children with any physical disability can go very easily to that school and won't have any issue in studying in any of the schools. So garaz asa ki amcho infrastructure should be improved in the schools for because after all education is all inclusive, so it is utmost important that we improve the infrastructure of the schools to tackle this issue which has not been tackled till date. And I think it's high time we have to start IIT in Goa, because we have been waiting for a IIT to happen in Goa for many, many years. And it is high time, I think we have to all support and start IIT, irrespective of wherever all these issues that have been happening. We have been seeing issues everywhere. First it was in Sattari, now it is in Sangay. But I think we have to all come together and put a stop to this and see that once and for all, IIT starts in the state of Goa. I would like to speak about the teachers, which are our part-time instructors. They are called part-time teachers. There are 54 number of teachers who are teaching in Goa and who are called part-time instructors. They are employed under the Goa Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and they teach from the 5th to the 7th standard. And according to their remuneration that they are getting like 25,000 per month, and they are on contract basis. But most of them have completed more than 10 years of continuous service. Tanka 10 years of service, asun pusun, they are just getting this salary. It has been increased since the last few years, but there's a huge disparity between them and the full-time teachers. The pay scale, there's a huge difference between both of them. Like the staff of the Goa Samagra Shiksha, they are entitled like one casual leave after 15 days of sick leave. And as per the recent announcement made by the Honorable Chief Minister, they are entitled to a 6-month maternity leave as well. But these contract teachers who are called part-time instructors, they can avail only 8 casual leaves and 2 restricted holidays. So though they are called part-time instructors, but they work from morning 7:45 in the morning till afternoon 1:45. So it is almost full day. They are working full day like the other teachers, regular teachers. They are working as a regular teacher. But still, there's a huge difference in the pay scale. And at the same time, these instructors who are employed as part-time instructors, they have like graduate degrees, they're all professionals, double graduate degrees, they're masters from recognized very prestigious colleges. And so I request that since we are talking about, and lots of states in India have started on the principle of equal work for equal pay. And they are putting in that many hours of work in the schools. It's not that they are just coming for 2-3 hours and teaching. No, they are called part-time instructors, but they are doing the same kind of work that a regular teacher is doing. And on top of that, they have they are like graduates, double graduates and masters. So they have high level of degrees, and they are giving that kind of teaching to our students and support to our students. So I think like the government of Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab, they have taken a decision to regularize the services of the part-time instructors. So these teachers get the regular salary, perks, holidays, and the policy has been changed by the government, and they get the same perks as a regular teacher. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please look into this so that these part-time instructors become special skill instructors or teachers. And at the same time, we have the NSQF instructors who are similar kind of instructors, are skill development instructors who teach from the 9th standard to the 12th standard. So these same instructors, most of them have satisfactorily completed 5 years of service. This skill development instruction, these instructors, they were employed in 2014. And since then, they've been getting a salary of like 24,000. So I would like to request the Chief Minister to increase their increment, annual increment between 5 to 10%, because these instructors, they again work 6 hours a day, plus they take practical classes for the students, another additional 2 hours, plus they take the students on industrial visits so that the students can gain first-hand experience of the nature of work that they are teaching. So, and these teachers, they are from different fields. They are highly qualified doctors, engineers, fashion designers, trained farmers who are teaching, and they're using their skill to teach these students and their experience, industry experience for teaching these students in the schools. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please look into their increase in their salary as well, because they are putting in as much time and effort as the regular teacher in teaching our students and giving them the best quality education, best quality skill. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please look into all these demands of our teachers, of our schools that need utmost repair. Especially, आमे पोरुई भी उल्लेख केल्लो आमची जी स्कूलां आसा आमच्या सत्तरी भागान, and already the PWD has already prepared their estimates, आणि ही जी स्कूलां आसा आमची GPS जावनी नाल्यार GHS जावनी ती सगळी they are in a very bad state. They need immediate repairs and renovation because most of the schools are leaking and they need urgent repairs. So मागता की मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडेन की ते बेगीन मातशें तांणी लक्ष घालचें आमच्या ह्या स्कुलाच्या फायली ज्यो पेंडींग आसा, आतां 1 वर्स जालें आमच्या स्कुलाच्यो फायली पेंडींग आसा. सो मागता की तांणी जे आमच्यो ह्यो आंगणवाडीच्यो फायली, स्कुलाच्यो फायली आसूनी की आमचे GPS आनी GHSच्यो फायली आसूनी ते जाता तितले बेगीन मातशें रिपेर आनी रेनोवेशन ऑफ दी स्कूल्स मातशें हातान घेवनी, आनी जे आमचे हे डिमांड्स आसा ते जाता तितले बेगीन घेवन जे आमचे टिचरांक आमचे ज्यो टिचरी आसा आमच्यो आंगणवाडीच्यो आसूनी, GPSच्यो आसूनी, GHSच्यो आसूनी, हे सगळे आमचे टिचर्स, दे आर द वन्स हू टेक आवर स्टुडंट्स, दे क्रिएट द फावंडेशन फॉर अ ब्रायट फ्युचर फॉर आवर स्टुडंट्स, आनी तांकां वेन दे आर सेक्युअर एंड दे आर हॅपी, आवर स्टुडंट्स वील बी हॅपी, एंड आय थिंक आवर सिस्टम वील बी हॅपी. थँक यू स्पीकर सर.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.
Travel the world with GAC Holidays. Pay later in easy EMIs. Call us for more details.